Hey folks, and welcome back to another episode of Fox River Bushcraft. I'm Jonathan Aguirre, and today we have been asked to come to a hunting reserve. And I know people are going to ask, why aren't you dressed in orange? The hunting reserve is closed right now. The property owner asked us to come out and check the creek. The creek's not very big, maybe runs for a couple miles, but he asked to check the creek because he doesn't want any flooding on the land where people are going to be hunting. So that being said, let's take a look at what's going on here. Got a bit of a beaver dam right here, folks. Take a look at the flooding back here. And then you take a look in front of the dam over here. Real dry over here. Only a little bit of water getting through certain areas. So let's break this open and get this stagnant water flowing properly. Look at all these rocks. There are a ton of rocks in here. These beavers like to use rocks in their construction in this creek. There's just a mass amount of them, with sticks and everything. All right, folks, putting on my gloves now. So if anybody's wondering what happened to the old channel, I did discuss it in the episode before this one. It's at the end of the video if you want to go check it out. Well, let's get started. Yeah, look at that, nice and fresh. It is good to be back, folks, after the winter. It's unfortunate what happened to the channel. Like I said, if you want to know what happened, it's in the community post page. Or I explained what happened to the channel in the video before this one at the end. Ooh, that's a nice blonde log right there. All these rocks, they're just everywhere. Let me take off my jacket. Ooh, it is warming up today, folks. It's supposed to be up to 65 today, but this morning it was chilly. There are so many rocks in this dam. It's literally like 90% rock. Flowing. smacked me in the face. Flowing now, folks. Take a look at this. Remember the dam was right there? This is what I'm talking about. 90% of this dam was all rocks mixed in with all those sticks and stuff and mud. But there were a lot of rocks in here. Look, it's starting to drain back. We already lost about half a foot right there almost. We did a good job. Look at the banks over here where they used to be wet. It is flowing out of here. Where there's one beaver dam on this property, that means there's more. Probably worse than that or easy ones, I'm not sure, but the property owner wants us to check on this hunting reserve because he doesn't want the beavers flooding his land. Yeah, it's flowing out of here perfect. Alright folks, I'll be right back with you. Alright folks, we got the water flowing. I am going to check the property for more dams and clogs so that the person that owns the hunting reserve here is happy. Yeah, it is completely draining back. Look at that, all is underwater. The creek is only supposed to be a couple feet wide, and you could tell it was almost 10 feet wide, so we did a good job in this area. But yeah folks, if you're wondering what happened to the old channel, this is the new official channel. Everything's been fully secured. I went into detail in the episode before this one at the end of the video if you really want to know what happened. Well, I guess I could do a short version. We were hacked. The YouTube channel was hacked by someone, and the person that got into my YouTube channel uploaded a video that got my channel removed from YouTube. But you can find out more about that if you can go check out the episode before this one. I'm just glad to be back, and I want to say thank you to everybody that has found this channel again. You have no idea what it means to me. But folks, it is draining back. We did a good job. Flowing down as it should be. I'm gonna work my way down creek before I work my way up creek, just in case there's any big dams that are holding back water. Because if I work my way up this way, I'll unclog everything and then all that water will come down here. And if there's a bigger dam somewhere out here, it's gonna flood the land. So folks, that being said, I need you to do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up so we can get into the YouTube algorithm so other people can find this video and enjoy it as you have. Till next week or in a couple days, Johnny out.